Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to archive an email on Gmail. First of all, open Gmail. Uh, First, select the email that you want to archive by clicking this tick box. And then you can just click this archive button to archive the email that you selected. You can also select multiple emails that you want to archive, or if you want to select all email, you can just click this text check box in the top, and then it will select all the emails, and you can just click this archive button to archive all emails. And after clicking the archive button, all emails are already archived, and you can see all the archive email in click the more button and click all mail. You still can see all the archive email here. So that's all for how to archive emails in Gmail. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.